Welcome to another Pelco Quick Tips video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at initiating repair requests. As always, we're going to start on a community site available at support.pelco.com. Once at our community site, on the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see the repair request icon. Click that, and this will take you to our repair request authorization form. Now, there are several options available here. One, you can choose to call us or chat in with the live chat option available on the bottom of the screen, or you can select self-help service. Whichever option you use, make sure to have your model, serial number, and description of your problem ready. In addition to that, you can also check your RA status. You can look up if the product you would like to send in is still covered under warranty, as well as check if the product still can be repaired. That's going to do it for this video. As always, thank you all for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.